Everyone, and welcome back. If you're having trouble logging into Buffer, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Buffer login issues in 2026 using a Windows PC or Mac. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password error, the login page won't load, or Buffer keeps rejecting your credentials, this guide will help you get back into your account step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Buffer website. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. It's easy to make a small typing mistake, so carefully re-enter your login details and try again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link below the login form. Enter your email address and follow the password reset instructions sent to your inbox. After creating a new password, return to the login page and sign in again. If the login page still isn't working, refresh the page or close your browser and reopen it. Sometimes a temporary browser glitch can prevent the login process from loading correctly. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with Buffer's login system. After clearing the cache, restart your browser before trying again. If the issue continues, switch to another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. This helps determine whether the problem is related to your current browser. You should also disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions like ad blockers for a few minutes. These tools can sometimes block Buffer from completing the authentication process. Now check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If your connection is slow or unstable, restart your router and try logging in once more. If Buffer asks you to verify your account, check your email inbox, including the spam or junk folder, for a verification email. Complete the verification process and then sign in again. Also, make sure your computer's date and time are set correctly. Incorrect system time can cause secure login and authentication problems on some websites. If you've tried all these methods and still can't access your account, visit Buffer support and contact their team. Include the exact error message, your browser name, and the troubleshooting steps you've already completed so they can help you more quickly. And that's how you fix Buffer login issues in 2026. I hope this guide helped you successfully access your Buffer account.